Okay, so the fuel lines on my M3, the past couple of MOTs, they've been an advisory because of corrosion on the fuel lines. Now I've got this spare tank, so I'm going to take these pipes off. Now they're not perfect, but they're a lot better than mine. They have got the odd wee bit of corrosion here and there, like that, but they're savable. So what I'm going to do is, we'll take them off, we'll clean them up, and we'll put some nice new fresh paint on them just to stop them from getting any worse. But they're a hell of a lot better than mine. In order to get the actual metal lines off, the steel lines off, you've got these fittings. Basically what you do with these is, you actually push them in rather than pull them out. So there's like a spring inside there, and what it does is when you push this bit of plastic in, it opens the spring up. So we'll try pushing it in, and then you just pull it out like that. Okay, easy. I'll actually see if I can show you the spring. If you look in there, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there's one right there. So the plastic, basically when you push the plastic in, it spreads those prongs, and that opens the prongs up and lets this out. The prongs hold on to this bit here, they go behind it, and it stops the fuel line from coming out. Okay, so first things first, the end of the rubber hose has got these metal bits on it, obviously the sort of join part. They're a bit scabby, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them up with a brass brush on the drill, but before that I'm going to tape up the sides of the rubber part and the plastic part so that it doesn't damage it if the wire brush hits it. So we'll do that. That's any loose rust off. Now, before we paint them, I'm just going to put a wee bit of this rust remover stuff on. Apparently you just put it on, wait 15 minutes, apply again, and then wipe dry, and it's ready to prime after half an hour. Tried and tested since 1939 apparently. Let's give it a go. So we'll just leave that 15 minutes and then come back to it. So this is the worst of the hard lines. It doesn't look too good, to be honest with you, but it is strong. You can't bend it. They're much better than the other ones that are on the car. So we'll clean these ones up, coat of paint on them, they'll be fine. We'll keep on going with this, but that is the sort of that's what we want. We want it back down to bare metal, really. So, okay, we've got the lines all out of the rust eater stuff. And that one there's like brand new. So what I'm going to do is, we've still got the tape on them. round there. I think we'll just give them a wee coat of silver paint. I've got this silver wheel paint. It was on the shelf, and you can put it, you don't need any primer or anything, you can just spray it straight to metal. So I think that'll do, a wee coat of that on them. Nice even coating of silver on them. And then once we take the tape off, that'll look really nice. Okay, the hard pipes, they've came out of the rust eater, and it leaves them with this sort of white, it must be the reaction that causes it. It's like a chalky sort of residue it leaves. So I'm going to get rid of that with a bit of a Scotch-Brite pad. Right, so we finished we gave them a Scotch-Brite up. I'm just going to, this one's got a wee flexible end on the end of it, so I'm going to just mask this up, and I'm going to just mask over this bit here. Right, so with the hard lines, what I'm going to do is I've got this Wrinkle Plus paint. I thought with the finish on these being a bit pitted, if you were to put normal paint on, you would see that pitting. If you were to spray it, it would still look horrible. But with this stuff, I'm thinking if it wrinkles up, then you won't see this pitting and it'll look nice and new. So the idea is you just shape it up, and it's ideal because this is another one that just goes straight onto the metal, so it's perfect for the job. No primer, got a right good shape. Now it says you need to give it 3 good coats and then heat it with a heat gun. One. So I need to hang about here, I'll just pause it. Give it another coat, coat 2. And then with the heat gun, dry it. It takes a wee minute or so to start working, sorry about the shaky camera. But I'm trying to see if we can sort of zoom in. There you go. So it gives it that sort of a crinkle effect, and it will get even better as it dries overnight. It'll all crinkle up uniform.